Today I'm going to show you how to link Audible to Amazon. This is a straightforward process that ensures your audiobook library and purchases are connected to your Amazon account, making everything easier to manage in one place. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to audible.com. This is where we'll begin the linking process. Before we dive into the steps, here's something important to note. Linking Audible to your Amazon account is usually automatic, but I'm going to show you how to make sure everything is properly connected so there are no issues down the line. Once you're on the Audible homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. This will take you to the login page where you'll enter your credentials. Now you'll be prompted to enter either your mobile number or email address. The key here is to use the email or phone number that's associated with your Amazon account. Type that in carefully, then click on Continue to move forward. This step is crucial because it's what connects your Audible account directly to your existing Amazon profile. After clicking Continue, you'll be asked to enter your Amazon password. Type in your password and then click on Sign In. Once you do this, you'll be logged into Audible using your Amazon credentials, which establishes the link between the two accounts. Here's the important part to understand. Audible is owned by Amazon, so if you sign in to Audible using your Amazon email and password, your accounts are already linked. You don't need to do anything extra. The connection happens automatically because both services are part of the same ecosystem. This means your purchases, payment methods, and account details are all synchronized seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully ensured that your Audible and Amazon accounts are linked. This connection allows you to manage your audiobooks alongside your other Amazon purchases and makes the entire experience much smoother. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.